Let us solve this question. The question says, if the temperature of a piece of metal of mass 100 grams and a specific heat capacity of 460 joule per kilogram per Kelvin falls from 70 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius, calculate the quantity of heat released. So solve question like this. First, you bring out the data. Okay. All right. Now, step one, solution. The mass of the piece of metal mass is 100 grams. But then the SI unit of mass is not grams, rather kilogram. And to change from gram to kilogram, you divide by 1000. Okay, so that will give us 0.1 kilogram. The specific heat capacity of the metal, which is C, small letter C. Capital letter C is heat capacity. Specific heat capacity is the quantity of heat required to raise a unit mass of a substance by 1 degrees Celsius. 1 degree Celsius, right? But heat capacity is the quantity of heat required to raise the temperature of a substance by 1 degree Celsius. Okay. Now the specific heat capacity is 460 joule per kilogram per Kelvin. All right, then the temperature change in temperature, which is what T2 minus T1 is 70 degrees Celsius minus 20 degrees Celsius, and that will give us 50 degrees Celsius. Now, someone will ask, why is it not converted to Kelvin, which is the standard unit for temperature? When you are talking about temperature difference, temperature change, whether the unit is in Celsius or Kelvin is the same. Because for us to find the temperature difference, if I want to change this one to Kelvin, I'll add 273. And I'll also do the same here. So if I find the difference between the two values of the temperature, I will still have 50. You understand? So once you are talking about temperature difference, the value for Celsius and Kelvin is the same. Okay, so now the quantity of heat is, the formula is mc theta. This means change in this context. This means change in what? Temperature. I want you to pause this video, find the value of the heat, comment it, drop it in the comment section, and then come back and confirm if your answer is correct. All right. Now the quantity of heat is equals to the mass is 0.1 times the specific heat capacity 460 times change in temperature, that is what? 50. Okay, you can do this without calculator. 0.1 times 50 will give us 5, because this 0 will move this decimal one place, so this will be 1 and this one will now be what? 5. Okay, 460 times 5 will give us what? Will give us 0 0 2 3 2 joule. Okay, in standard form, we answers are in standard form, so we move it 1 2 3, so it's the same thing as 2.3 times 10 raised to power 3 joule. So the correct option is option A. Please do not forget to share. Bye.